Tired of fad diets and expensive fat burners that don't work? What if I told you there's a simple, natural drink you can make at home with just 4 ingredients that's been used for centuries to burn fat, boost digestion, and calm the body? This drink is Ayurvedic, caffeine-free, and can help you lose weight even while you sleep. Let's get into this powerful recipe. Here's why this drink works so well. Ginger increases metabolism, suppresses appetite, and fights inflammation. Cardamom improves digestion and reduces water retention. Mint calms the stomach, supports fat breakdown, and tastes refreshing. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar and boosts fat burn, especially belly fat. Together, they form a fat-burning powerhouse, and you only need 5 minutes to make it. To make this fat-burning detox tea, you'll need 1 cup of water, a 1-inch piece of ginger, sliced or crushed, 2 to 3 crushed cardamom pods, 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves, 1 cinnamon stick. Step 1. In a small saucepan, add all ingredients to the water. Step 2. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Step 3. Strain into a cup. Optional, add half a teaspoon honey or a squeeze of lemon once slightly cooled, and there you have it, your ancient fat-burning elixir. You can drink this first thing in the morning to wake up your digestion, or at night before bed to boost overnight fat burn. Try it for just 7 days and you'll notice less bloating, more energy, better digestion, and a flatter belly. It's safe, natural, and best of all, it tastes amazing. If you're serious about your weight loss journey and want natural, proven methods that work, this is the drink to start with. If you take this with healthy diet and a walk of 30 minutes, you will achieve best results. For more information regarding weight loss videos, visit my channel Wisdom Vault. Try it for a week and then come back and tell me your results in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more healthy hacks, and share this video with someone who's trying to lose weight the smart way. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next one.